My name is Sana Suisi. I'm original from Tunisia. I'm working actually in Abu Dhabi since 10 years, and I came for this course to learn more about women health dysfunction. And now, like, this is my third course I'm doing, and first one I did level 1 and level 2, and for me it's really not enough, and I'm not able to see patients because I don't feel that I learn a lot of knowledge, and I don't have ability to see this patient because still I'm missing a lot of stuff. Now, after this course, I feel like I'm more confident, and I want really to say thank you to Dr. Sanita and Dr. Dahara, because they help us, and they are giving details more specific. I mean, like, everything they explain to us, and they did a great job. It was very nice workshop, and I have really, if in the future there is any possibility to continue to get certified physio in women health, and I will come with you guys, and really it's amazing job. Just because of the details that I get at these 3 days, how to explain the anatomy, how to explain the palpation, how to explain assessment, internal assessment and external assessment. It's very nice and specific, and the type of the treatment. It's something really very helpful for me, and I think for everyone else. Yeah. That today they come with us. Yeah. Thank you.